Hi everyone, I'm Lalabad. Welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I achieved this look using this palette here. This is the Natasha Denona Triochrome palette. It is a 15 pan palette with 12 matte shades and 3 Triochrome shades right here in the middle. I'm gonna start the video off with some swatches, so if you're interested in seeing close-up swatches, definitely watch this video. And then if you want to stay to see how I created this look, then you know what you got to do. You got to get into it.
We're about to go smoke that, John G. Get into it.
So today I'm going to be working with this palette here, the Natasha Denona Triochrome palette. The 3 in the middle are the Triochromes, and the rest are all matte. So there's that. So this is the look that I'm doing. This is a 3 shadow look, 2 mattes, 1 Triochrome, and then the rest are all bells and whistles. So without further ado, let's make this eye look like that eye. So I started off with a fluffy blending brush. This is the Smashbox crease brush. Very fluffy because I use it often. And I'm getting into the color Diatonic. I did prime my eyes with the Hourglass primer from here to here, so the whole eye, the whole eyelid. And you can even see where it stopped at that point right there. All right, anyway, so here you go. That's where I put the first color here. And I bring it all the way this way. All right, making sure they're even on both sides. This is my favorite, one of my favorite brushes. This is a Laura Mercier ponytail finishing brush. That's the shape. I picked up the color Mannequins. And I put that, I just dotted it right here. And then blended it out. It kind of makes its own shape, doesn't it? Doesn't it look like it does? And I brought that color halfway in. Grabbing more color. Now grabbing my, because you see that line there? It's not a cute look. So I'm getting the blending brush without adding any other color, and I'm just blending that edge out. And you see how it starts to look more like just one color fading out? That's the look I want. Now with my favorite Sonia G brush, this is a Sonia G Builder Pro. I'm going to grab the middle color called Kinetic. And I'm just going to place it in the middle and just go up. And I'm kind of overlaying on this color as well. But the middle is really where I'm pressing in the color. It's just blending that way. And if you want, you can grab your pony brush again and just blend the two together like so. Just so it looks more like it's supposed to blend into each other. Then I got this brush. This is a Smashbox brush, and it's a, I don't know, it's a detailed brush. I grabbed the color Naga, and I just put that in here, and I just brung it up into that shimmer. Like that. And then I grabbed the flat Sonia G brush and blended them all together like that. Very simple, very doable, very wearable. I feel like it's very wearable. But there you go. And then, you know, blend out anything you like, blend out anything you don't like, but work on it. But that's the look there. Now, for the bottom lash line, all I did was I grabbed the darkest color, the darkest purple Mannequins, and I just went here. Just like that. I got this Pixie by Petra. It's called the Endless Silky Eye Pen by Pixie by Petra. It's a eyeliner. It's in the color Deep Plum. And I just put that, actually put that here. And I put that on the waterline here. All the way across. Just like that. Then I grabbed the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara and I just added some to my top and bottom lashes. And then I added the velour eyeliner and lash glue, basically, is what it is. Just like that. I did my wing, basic wing. I know y'all be like, Lala, that is not easy. If you practice enough, it will get easy. Then I got my Choco Taco lashes, or the chocolate taco lashes by Glamlight. These are very, like, these are natural lashes to me. And I put them on. Remember, I like to curl the end of this lash upwards to go along the eyeliner, so my eyes look wider. Alright everyone, so this is the complete look. I thought that was pretty easy. 3 colors, 3 shades, simple technique. I bet you can get this down if you can, and if you do, let me know in the comments. I would really love to hear if this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Alright, bye.